Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your account name on Sembly AI. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your name on Sembly AI, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in sembly.ai and make a search. The official page of Sembly AI's account will appear on the screen. Log into your account if you are not logged in and it will take you to the home page of Sembly AI. From the home page, tap on three lines at the top left corner of the page. Click on your profile name at the bottom left side of the screen. From the pop-up, tap on Settings. You will end up on the Settings page of Sembly AI. Click on My Profile option. Scroll down and on the Personal Information section, edit your name and click on Update. This is how you can change your account's name on Sembly AI application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.